Hey guys, in this videos I will show you how to watch Telegram videos without Terabox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Telegram allows you to stream and download videos directly within the app. In order for you to do this on your own, first you can open Telegram, launch the Telegram app on your device, then find the video. Navigate to the chat or channel where the video is located. Stream the video, tap on the video to start streaming it directly. Telegram supports an app video playback. Download the video if you prefer to watch the video offline, so tap on three dots and then tap the download icon on the video. Once downloaded, you can watch it directly within Telegram by tapping on the video. You can also use the Telegram web or desktop app to watch and save videos. By following this method, you can watch Telegram videos without needing to use Terabox or any other third-party cloud storage service. So that's basically how you can watch Telegram videos without Terabox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.